Hello everyone, Steve Tristan here, and
Aidan.
Yes, we're here to show you today how...
Well, to do epic fails of tape measures.
Why look at me? You're talking to them. So, yes, the epic fails of tape measures. So, basically, the issue is we have a lot of times where people will have a faulty tape measure, and we'd like to show you how that happens, as well as how to measure correctly using the right tape measure. Okay, we've done other videos on how to measure screen doors, window screens, as well as how to use a tape measure, but this is specifically trying to show you how not to fail, how not to make the mistake, the epic fail, as Aidan calls it, right? So, okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to measure it here, all right? So, and you pull up on the tape, so that way you try to get as much of an accurate measurement as you can. And right here I have
79.
No, I have 79 and 3/8. Okay. Yeah, 79 and 3/8. But there's an issue, and what that issue is I know that there's something wrong with this tape measure. If you look very closely, from dropping it all the time, I got a total bend on that tape measure. What happens then? Well, we have an inaccurate measurement. So we just had 70, what was it? 79 and
3/8.
79 and 3/8 with this tape measure. Okay, pull it just like you're supposed to. You see 79 and 3/8, okay? Now this is an older tape measure. It's made in China, imported, inexpensive tape measure. But here I have our company's Stanley Fat Max tape measures. Therefore, it has our logo on it, but it's just a sticker over the top. Underneath this, it does say Stanley Fat Max tape measure. Okay, but this tape measure is straight. You see that? Okay.
So that one will give us an accurate.
And because it's straight, it's going to give us an accurate measurement, right? So I'm going to go here, up, and 79 1/4. Okay, so it's off 1/8 of an inch. Okay, 79 1/4. So we have that issue when, you know, people order. They might order their screen doors, and all of a sudden they're trying to use a tape measure, and guess what? It's an inaccurate measurement. So you have to make sure that you have a good, clean tape measure. And if it's off 1/8 of an inch, most likely it's your bent tape measure, okay? Or should I say the end piece, the tip on your tape measure is bent. And so you have to make sure that, you know, you have a good quality tape measure and that it's reading accurate measurements. Now,
alright, so this was our epic fail video for tape measures.
please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.